நாராயணனே நமக்கே பறை தருவான் பாரோர் புகழப் படிந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். திருப்பாவை பாசுரம் நம்பர் 3. ஓங்கி உலகளந்த உத்தமன் பேர்பாடி நாங்கள் நம் பாவைக்குச் சாற்றி நீராடினால் தீங்கின்றி நாடெல்லாம் திங்கள் மும்மாரி பெய்து ஓங்கு பெருஞ்சென்னலூடு கயலுகள பூங்குவளை போதில் பொறிவண்டு கண்படுப்ப தேங்காதே புக்கிருந்து சீர்த்த முலை பற்றி வாங்க குடம் நிறைக்கும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள் நீங்காத செல்வம் நிறைந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். On day 3 of the Pavai Nonbu, Andal takes her friends towards Krishnanubhavam and beyond. She assures them that observing the Pavai Nonbu brings forth prosperity for the whole world. And to convey this point very clearly, she tells her friends of the Trivikrama avataram of Mahavishnu in this Pasuram. The story begins with the king Mahabali, the grandson of Prahalada. He was a powerful, arrogant and oppressive king, and he organized a grand yajna. As the yajna was nearing completion, a small-built brahmachari walked in. He was the son of sage Kashyapa and Aditi. His name was Upendra, but because he was short, he was known as Vamana. Vamana approached Mahabali, and Mahabali bowed and said, "What gifts do you seek?" Vamana asked for 3 feet of land as measured by his foot. Known for his generosity and taken aback by such a simple request, Bali Chakravarti readily agreed to the request. However, Vamana suddenly grew so tall, and with one step he covered the entire earth. And then he covered the heavens with his second step. Seeing this, Mahabali realized the true identity of the divine dwarf Vamana, and he humbly offered his head for the third step. Vamana placed his food on Bali's head, and Mahabali's life was fulfilled. Vamana, or Trivikrama, the one who covered the 3 worlds, is referred to as ulagaLanda, or the one who measured the worlds with his feet. By this one action, the Lord's feet touched all the worlds, and everyone on earth also received his benevolence. Similarly, blessings will be showered on those who observe the Pavai Nonbu, and the benedictions will overflow into prosperity for the whole world. For instance, paddy and grain fields will benefit from such grace when there will be regulated amounts of rainfall without disastrous flooding, which would be counterproductive to agriculture. Andal paints a picturesque scene by further stating that with the appropriate amount of rain, tall paddy will gently sway in the fields filled with water, where schools of fish will playfully swim around with joy. Honey bees filled with nectar will sleep peacefully within the petals of beautiful water lilies, and cows with their generous udders will fill pots of milk, and unlimited prosperity will abound. Andal's understanding of the close relationship of human beings and the forces of nature comes through in this Pasuram. This third Pasuram encourages us to sing the names of the Supreme Lord with devotion, a practice that will lead to an everlasting and ever-increasing knowledge of the Lord, which is the Neengada Selvam. Finally, Andal gives importance to singing the praises of the Lord, or Nama Sankirtanam. ulagaLanda uttaman பேர்பாடி. The Tirunamam in this Pasuram is Uttaman, Trivikrama, and the Divya Desham is Tirukkovalur. Andal Tiruvadigalé Charanam.